By the way, so this is going to be a little new thing on the channel. We're doing exhaust note videos, and then we're going to be doing a POV with the exhaust going crazy. So if you guys like this, please like and subscribe. Drop a comment maybe. I hope there's not too much wind noise, because I mean, we're about to hit a back road right now, so there should be a lot less because we're going to be not going as fast. They do not trim these damn bushes. It sounds good no matter what RPM you get it at. I haven't gotten it to that point on the video, but if you get it to, I believe it's like 3,000 RPM, 2,000 RPM, and you're not going real fast, but you're going enough to hear the exhaust, I can't explain how it sounds. I'll try to get it on video, but it doesn't sound like any other car you've ever heard before. It sounds so good, so loud, but it's not like an annoying loud. It's like, I don't even know what to compare it to, because there's nothing to compare it to.